What's going on, guys? We've got a little bit of a treat here. We're putting together one of these electric bikes here. It's not one that I sell, but we're going to get this put together and see how it does. So let's get started. Alright. That's a shame. This is a brand new bike, and that is all scratched up. But once you clean up the burrs, you can put the seat post in and take it out with no more scratches. Now that I've got this unboxed and all the wrapping off, this is one of the new Rad Rovers. It's a fat tire electric bike, and it's looking pretty good. It could use some upgrades. The chain that they put on this is kind of cheap, but it's easy to upgrade, and it's got a nice stem on there. It's got a fairly decent looking RST. It's nothing really fancy. Frame looks pretty clean. The battery looks pretty clean. So we're going to continue to put this together, and we're going to see how the rest of it's looking. The only real complaint I have is that seat post, which, again, the seat post can easily be replaced. A seat post like this goes for about $15, $16, or you can, there's a lot of them that are about $20 for that seat post. But let's keep putting it together and see how things go. Install the bars. Install the wheel. Installing the light. Alright, it's the next day. We're going to take this bad boy out for a ride. Let's see. Gotta have the helmet, safety first. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's go ahead and go with the speed. And we can either pedal. Wow. Whoa, that's abrupt. Let's turn around. Pretty fast. Now, I'm going to put it in, or I'll put it in first gear, and I'm just going to be pedaling, and let's see if it'll go up to 20 without any resistance at all, just if the pedals are turning. It's in first gear, and let's go. It's not the smartest system. So I'm just pedaling, no resistance whatsoever, and it's doing 18 and a half. So here's the bike afterwards. It's not a bad looking bike. It's pretty clean, nice aluminum frame. Well, I just got back from riding that Rad Rover, and it's a $1,500 bike. It's not very sophisticated compared to some of the other ones that are more expensive and such, but you know, you get what you pay for. For $1,500, I was impressed with how it was. You do have to be a little careful, because once you start to pedal, sometimes the acceleration is a little abrupt, and whenever I'm holding the camera and trying to go, sometimes whenever it started to accelerate, I was losing a little bit of balance. But just don't hold the camera in one hand, you know, two hands on the handlebars, and you should be fine. I like the Giant bikes a lot better, but they are more expensive, but they are worth the extra expense. So it just depends on, you know, how much money you're willing to spend. This is about the least expensive electric bike that that seems to do pretty well. But anyway, I hope this video does better. I apologize for the sound lag. I am working on trying to get it better, but this is just my third video, so I'm hoping that the more I do, the better I'm going to be at it. Please leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you're wanting a video that you haven't seen other places, derailleur adjustments, brake adjustments, just leave me a message and I am happy to do a video. But anyway, thank you very much. Y'all have a good day.